His foundation in the holy mountains. The Lord love at the gates of Zion. More than all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious thing that's spoken of the whole city of God. Zila. I will make mention of Rahab and Babylon as among them that know me. Behold, Philistine tired with Ethiopia, this one was bound there. But of Zion it shall be said, this man and that was born in here. And the Most High himself doth establish here. The Lord shall count in the register of the peoples. This one was born there. Zila. We pray and believe in a one named Jah. Nary the man who a business Lucifer. The crown and the mace still at King Jehovah. The king of all kings from the tribe of Judah. What a burning bush now me over stand clear. Not to mention the clouds in the air, like Moses trotting out in a desert away. The clouds give them water, food, and a mind to steer clear. Give them understanding, knowledge, and a wisdom. Pure golden vibes come for each and every one. Decide your side, join to judge your kingdom. If you still wanna think in a fear and prison, but the more you search, but the less you will find. With your church, man, never get blind. Don't spread the word if you don't go behind. The plan of this planet more better design. You can't go a Zion with an unconscious mind. And a consciousness that mean that you vegan or twined. Do a favor, keep yourself, your ego is lying. Bridge with me, a bridge in comfy, really remind who you are. Can you see the aura of the stars? Yeah, you know who you are. Can you read the ancient knowledge of the wise? Yeah, you know. Good job. Stop your fussing and the fighting. Go silent in the woods and hug a tree, as I would say. Count your heartbeat and blessings, I will tell you. Conquerable. Sit down on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. Suit up on the rhythm like a tire on a rim. I never need no ism, schism. Set up on nothing like a gypsy caravan. With the top of the mountain, the God in the temple, judge aside me clear. The spirit, the drumming, the dancing, the loving, that's why me come my way. Me shield out the darkness, bring only light, them ward me anywhere. Creative feelings, thoughts, and giving, that's why we came to play. The prince of the mountain, the friend of the elves. Me go still I hear, me defend the spells. Come past me roar, silence it tells. Can you see the gate to Zion? Almost we're there. Big up reggae music, give I levitation. Tough Kong Studios and Channel 1. Black Hawk, Mr. Tubby and a one aim Trojan. Living on this planet, go on a true fortune. Who you are?